All right, this is another sort of special effect move, etc., that requires really particular angles with the audience. So which way are you guys going to do this?
I was going to go this way.
Okay, so so Lucy, face the way you're supposed to then. Okay, so in this particular case, that white sheet back there would be their audience. So it is really important that the audience always be facing the victims, or the audience be the victim's back. So if the audience is not at the victim's back, this move won't work correctly. So this is the ground stomach kick. So this is typically a move used by a villain or bad guy who's just kind of finished beating someone up, and this is like that last move that just shows like that they're done beating them up. So they are going to aggressively run at their victim, but they are going to stop just short of the victim, planting their non-dominant foot, and then letting their dominant foot come up in a swing as if they're going to kick a soccer ball, and let it skid against the floor and stomp just short of where their victim's stomach is. From the audience's perspective, they've made contact with their victim's stomach. The victim is going to emphasize this by curling into the fetal position and acting as if they have been kicked in the stomach. All right? So let's go ahead and see that from the audience perspective. Here we go. Oop, and then let's just do that a little faster, Lucy. Try to react quite quickly, okay? Here we go. Excellent job.